Hi everyone, it's James. You're looking at my key fob for my Honda PCX 125cc. I'm going to show you how to change the battery in it. Right now it has a weak battery. It's not connecting to my bike. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a coin. I got a 50 yen coin. That's because I'm in Japan. And you need a flat screwdriver like this. Okay, so very easy. Here you see a little slot. So you're going to put your coin in this slot and you're going to apply some force. Like this. Just try to pry it open. Don't use too much force, you might break it. But you need some pressure, some force. Take your coin and insert it into this slot and then apply some pressure. It'll take a little bit of time. This is my second time doing this. Might need a smaller coin. Sorry guys, the 50 yen didn't work, so I'm going to use the 5 yen. Okay, so it's smaller and it should work. Yes. Okay, a smaller coin will work. Just play with your coins. Now that I've popped the cover, carefully take it apart. Don't touch the circuitry. To remove the battery, very easy. Take your flat screwdriver, just pry it up like this. And what kind of battery do we need? It is a CR2032. And it just so happens that I have a spare 2032. Hopefully it works. So I'm gonna remove the old battery. Here is the old battery, and I'm going to use this battery. So you're gonna face it down and just put it back into this place. Put the cover back on. You want to align it. Snap it in. It's flush. It appears to be working. Okay, let's go to my bike and test it out. This is my Honda PCX. So this is a keyless bike. So the fob has to be on me or I have to be near the bike. It's lit up. I can see it's blue, so it's reading. It's connecting. Yep, I have power. Bear with me. Okay, starting it up. Perfect. Works perfectly. Okay guys, that's how to do it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.